Ever pondered about the domino effect of a single decision? Consider this. What if that decision involved a bottle of alcohol and a set of car keys? Imagine a chilly winter's night, the kind that makes you want to curl up under a warm blanket. It was on such a night that a young man named Jake decided to celebrate his promotion. A night that was supposed to be a milestone in his life turned into a cataclysmic event that would alter the course of his and several others' lives. Jake was a vibrant and ambitious individual, someone who had a zest for life that was infectious. His smile could light up even the gloomiest of rooms. He was loved by everyone who knew him. But that fateful night, Jake made a decision that would cast a long, dismal shadow over his bright future. After a night of revelry, Jake decided to drive home. He believed, as many often do, that he could handle his liquor, that he was invincible. But the harsh reality is that alcohol blurs not just vision, but also judgment. As Jake sped down the quiet, deserted highway, he didn't see the red light. He didn't see the family of four returning from a late-night movie. He didn't see the life he was about to shatter. That night, Jake's car collided with the family's car. The impact was devastating. 2 lives were extinguished instantly, a mother and her youngest child. The father and the elder daughter survived, but their lives would never be the same. Jake survived too, but the vibrant young man who had once dreamed of a promising future was now trapped in a nightmare of his own making. He was left with the guilt of having taken lives and the legal consequences of his actions. His dreams were replaced by regret, his future clouded by the consequences of a single decision, a decision to drink and drive. But the tragedy doesn't end with Jake. Think about the family he impacted. A father who lost his partner, a daughter who lost her mother and sibling, lives irreparably damaged because of one person's poor judgment. Think about Jake's family, who had to witness his dreams crumble and his life take a drastic turn. The ripple effects of Jake's decision were far-reaching, touching lives he had never even considered. So, what can we glean from Jake's story? That life is unpredictable,